Welcome to the Learning Speaking English channel. If you truly wish to master the art of English communication, start right here. Like, comment, and subscribe before you move forward, because today you'll unlock one of the deepest secrets of language learning: how to remember new words permanently and naturally. Now take a quiet breath. Imagine yourself listening with complete attention, as if every sound you hear is gently shaping your memory. The next half hour is your personal classroom of the mind. Stay with me till the end, and you'll not only learn methods, but you'll also feel your confidence in English quietly growing inside you. 1. The mind behind memory. Our brain learns language through rhythm, repetition, and connection. Each new word you encounter is not stored as a single sound, it is recorded as a pattern, a network of meaning, sound, and imagination. When one of these links is weak, the word disappears. So remembering new words is never about raw memory power, it's about creating stronger links among meaning, sound, and mental visualization. Think of your memory as a living garden. Every new word is a seed. It will not grow just because you place it once. It grows when you water it, give it sunlight, and return to it again and again. That sunlight is your attention. That water is your repetition. And the returning, that's your review habit. Mini task 1. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Take one slow breath in. As you breathe out, imagine planting one invisible seed of a new English word in your mind. Promise yourself that you will return to it, you will nurture it. That tiny promise is the beginning of long-term memory. 2. Why words fade away. Most learners forget because they move too fast. They meet a word once, understand it for a few moments, and then rush toward the next one. Memory does not respond to speed, it responds to depth. When your mind has not yet connected a new word with any feeling, rhythm, or visualization, it quietly lets it go to make space for other things. Another reason is overload. When you learn too many new words in a short time, the brain mixes them together. So, the correct rhythm of vocabulary growth is slow but steady, just as breathing happens naturally, not forcefully. Mini task 2. Take a few moments to think about your current vocabulary learning pace. Decide that from today you will focus on only a small number of new words each day, but you will know them deeply. This small adjustment will give your mind clarity and improve retention. 3. The 3 stages of remembering. Every new word passes through 3 mental stages: noticing, understanding, and storing. If one stage is missing, memory breaks. Times noticing, your attention meets the word. You become aware of its sound, shape, and rhythm. Times understanding, you grasp its concept, the feeling behind it, and how it fits into sentences. Times storing, you revisit it at intervals until it becomes part of your automatic recall. Skipping any stage is like writing on water. But if you pass through all 3, the word settles inside your long-term memory. Mini task 3. Silently recall a recent study session. Ask yourself, did you truly notice the words, or were you only reading them superficially? Becoming aware of your attention level strengthens the memory process. 4. The science of spaced repetition. Neuroscience tells us that the brain strengthens a memory when it is recalled just before it fades. This is called spaced repetition. Instead of repeating a word 10 times in one sitting, revisit it briefly after 1 day, then 3 days, then 1 week, and finally 1 month. Each revisit acts like adding another layer to a growing neural pathway. Designing a personal review system, even a simple calendar or notebook, programs your mind to expect repetition, making retention effortless. Mini task 4. Visualize a small mental calendar. Mark 4 invisible checkpoints: day 1, day 3, day 7, day 30. Each is a scheduled moment to revisit the words you are learning. This visualization alone strengthens your subconscious memory. 5. The power of sound. Language exists in sound before it exists in writing. When you hear a word and pronounce it clearly, you activate multiple memory pathways: auditory, motor, and cognitive. Speaking the word allows your brain to feel it, reinforcing recall. So never limit yourself to silent reading. Speak aloud, rehearse mentally, or record your own voice. Listening to yourself later reinforces familiarity and strengthens retention. Mini task 5. Take a deep breath. Mentally hear your voice articulating new words with calm clarity. This inner rehearsal trains memory as effectively as actual speaking. 6. Using visualization for memory. The human mind remembers images far more easily than symbols. If you transform each new word into a mental image, it becomes easier to retrieve. No artistic skill is required, only imagine simple forms or motion. Whenever you learn, pause briefly to visualize a shape, motion, or pattern associated with the word. Later, even if spelling fades, the image pulls the word back. Mini task 6. Close your eyes for a few breaths. Visualize a word appearing softly in your mind's eye, settling calmly, ready to be recalled whenever needed. 7. Muscle memory of writing. Writing by hand strengthens neural connections between word, rhythm, and motor memory. Typing helps, but pen and paper engrave memory more effectively. Spend a few minutes daily writing new words or short phrases. Focus on rhythm and clarity rather than speed. This slow practice enhances retention by engaging multiple senses. Mini task 7. Imagine your hand moving smoothly across a notebook. Each word you write settles into memory naturally. The calm focus itself becomes a cue for learning. 8. The role of emotion. Memory is strengthened when learning is paired with positive emotion. Cultivate curiosity and appreciation for your own progress. Relax, enjoy, and treat learning as discovery rather than obligation. Even subtle changes in mood, calm breathing, gentle smile, or relaxed posture enhance memory consolidation. Mini task 8. Take a slow breath. Smile gently and acknowledge your mind's ability to learn. This mental signal alone improves retention. 9. Advanced recall strategies. Now that you understand the basics of memory, we move to advanced strategies that make recall effortless. Always organize words mentally. Grouping related words by theme, usage, or emotional tone allows your brain to create networks rather than isolated points. Mini task 9. Close your eyes. Imagine invisible shelves in your mind, each holding a category of words. Visualize placing each new word carefully on a shelf. This mental act of organization strengthens memory pathways. Combine repetition with reflection. Reflect on patterns, rhythm, and interactions. Your brain forms stronger connections when you actively think about usage. Mini task 10. Mentally repeat a set of words you have recently learned. While doing so, imagine their possible sequences or connections. Even without speaking, your brain begins to form pathways automatically. 10. Daily practice system. Consistency is key. Your daily study does not need to be long. 20 to 30 minutes of focused attention is far more effective than hours of distracted study. Divide practice into 3 stages: acquisition, consolidation, and review. Mini task 11. Visualize your daily practice as a gentle spiral, flowing smoothly through acquisition, consolidation, and review. This visualization reinforces your subconscious routine. 11. Sleep and memory consolidation. Sleep strengthens neural connections formed during the day. Words reviewed before sleep are retained longer. Even 5 minutes of calm review at night dramatically improves long-term memory. Mini task 12. Before sleeping, visualize the words you learned today settling calmly in your mind. This nightly practice embeds memory naturally. 12. Mental grouping technique. Your mind remembers patterns better than isolated items. Group words mentally by theme, sound, or rhythm. Even abstract words can form networks for easier recall. Mini task 13. Close your eyes and imagine clusters floating in your mind. Place new words into these clusters according to similarity or feeling. This subtle grouping enhances recall dramatically. 13. Reviewing without stress. Approach review calmly and with curiosity. Gentle spaced reviews outperform cramming and reduce fatigue. Mini task 14. Visualize a spiral of time, revisiting words gently on their scheduled days. Feel the effortless rhythm of learning. 14. Combining all strategies. Attention, visualization, sound, repetition, organization, and sleep form a self-sustaining memory system. Words are no longer forced into memory, they settle naturally. Mini task 15. Take a deep breath. Imagine a glowing network inside your mind, each node a word. Feel the connection strong and steady. 15. Final practice session. Integrate all exercises into one session. Times plant 3 new word seeds mentally. Times visualize placing them on shelves. Times imagine revisiting them over time. Times hear your voice pronouncing them calmly. Times feel satisfaction at the effortless rhythm of learning. 16. Motivational closing. Learning English is not memorizing words. It is creating mental patterns, rhythms, and connections. Consistent practice with these strategies naturally builds vocabulary. Mini task 16. Final. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Feel the network of words glowing inside your mind. Smile gently and acknowledge your learning power. 17. Closing remarks. Thank you for staying with me throughout this session. Practice daily, use visualization, repetition, and mental organization, and trust the natural rhythm of learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Learning Speaking English channel. Share this session with someone who wants to improve their English. Remember, your mind is a garden. Plant, nurture, and revisit your word seeds, and watch them grow into fluent, confident English communication.